doing computing strategies for division. Our question is 275 divided by 3. 3 is our divisor, 275 is our dividend, and we are looking for our quotient. So for estimation, does anyone have an estimate for what the solution could be? Yeah? 90? 90? Okay, and can you tell me how you got that answer?
I rounded down 275 to 270 because it's easier to work with, and I know that 27 is divisible by 3.
Okay, so you recognized 27 and rounded it down to 270. What did you do next?
Well, 27 divided by 3 is 9, and then I just carried over the 0 to get 90.
Alright, great. So you use mental math strategies of addition and subtraction to estimate the answer. Perfect. So now we know that the solution to the problem should be close to 90. 275 divided by 3. The first thing I'm going to do is draw 3 boxes. I got the number 3 from my divisor. Next, I'm going to get my 10 base box ready from my dividend. So I have 2 100 base blocks, 7 10 base blocks, and 5 1 base cubes. So looking at my 2 100 base blocks, I know that it will not evenly go into my 3 boxes. So I'm going to switch these out for 10 base blocks. So now that I've switched those out, I now have 27 10 base blocks. From our estimation strategy, we know that 3 can go into 27 9 times. So I'll start by putting 9 10 base blocks in each of my boxes. As you can see, my 10 base blocks went into my 3 boxes evenly because 3 is a divisor of 27. Now all we have left is my 5 single cubes. I'm going to start by putting 1 cube in each box. Now we're left with 2. Since 2 cannot go in our 3 boxes evenly, this is our remainder. So each of my blocks has 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 base blocks, so that equals 90, and 1 single cube. So each of our boxes has 91, and we bring our 2 single cubes down for our remainder. So our answer is 91, remainder 2. For my personal strategy, I'm going to be doing the exploding dot strategy. So the question was 275 divided by 3. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a row, and then I'm going to split that row into 3 boxes. Because my dividend has 3 place values, so my box will have 3 place values as well. This is the ones, this is the tens, and this is the hundreds. Next, I will add the dots for each of my place values. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find and circle where there's 3 dots together in each place values because my divisor is 3. So the first thing I notice is that there is no 3 dots together in my hundreds. Since I cannot circle any of these, I'm going to move these 2 over to the tens and explode them. Now remember, since this is in the hundreds place value, there's actually 100 of each of these. So for my tens, I'm going to add 10 dots for each of my hundreds into the 10th place value. All right, now that I've moved it into there, I can start circling where I see 3 pairs. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs of 3s, and then I have 1. Since I have 2 left over, this will be my remainder. Since these are in the place value of the tens, it equals 90, plus 1 equals 91. So my answer is 91, remainder 2.